Hey my busy bees, welcome to another episode of Pieces of Comfort. Have you guys been busy? Have you guys been crocheting without me? Oh my goodness, I hope that you have. I had a busy week, so I was able to work on other projects. But remember when we was working on the red blanket, I decided to add white to it. So I changed my color. Do you remember I showed you how to change the color? I changed my color from cherry red to now white yarn. And I'm going to do like maybe about 4 rows of that. And I'm going to switch it back now. I should have did a zigzag pattern, but I don't know why. I'm not a really big fan of different designs and things like that. I'm a simple girl. You know, some people like they steak and potatoes. You know, so I like to throw a little jazz in here and there. Get it popping. But a lot of blankets that I make, I kind of make them simple, and I'll throw in a design here and there for folks, or if it's requested. But just my everyday crocheting, just simple. I want to show you guys what I've done so far. If you hear that crunchy sound, that's because I have the white yarn in the bag, because it's white. What's the yarn period? You want to keep your yarn clean as possible. But I have it in a ball, and I didn't put it in a basket. So of course, when it's in a ball and it's not in a basket, it rolls around. So I don't want it to be rolling on around, you know. So I just stuck it in a little bag, so it's making that crunchy sound. So I'm so sorry, guys. Please excuse my background. I'm gonna work on that. Next time I come back to you guys, I'm gonna have a nice background. Like, daggone cat, knock my curtain down. I can't fix it, but I didn't want to like make that an excuse on why not to see. There's other places I could have. Okay, where's my brain? There's other places I could have filmed. I didn't need to have to film in here, but I know this is the quietest place in the apartment because my daughter just runs through this place. You know how on the cartoons, when the characters, they go from like room to room, so it's like a scene where it's a hallway, and they go through this door, but they come out that door, and they go through this door, but they come out that door. And she be cracking up, and I'm like, oh my goodness. Like, I was filming earlier, and she busting here with the bowl and the spoon, walking all fee, fi, fo, fumish. I'm like, first of all, when she has her own channel, when you're doing your when you're working on your channel, do I come kicking open the door? So she was like, oops. Did she try to like get in the scene? I'm like, okay, so when I know what to do when you're working. But you guys, yeah, so my background is basically, I've never introduced you guys to my plants. I don't know the name of these plants that I have. I'm going to have to Google it. It is really sad because I have 3. No, 4 total. And the ones that I have, they are females in my mind. I have one, Mrs. Roper, Janet, and Terry, and I have Prissy Snow. The male plants, I have Mr. Roper and Mr. Furley. I know. I don't have a Jack and a Larry yet. I don't have a Jack. And you know where these names are coming from, right? You know where these names are coming from. So I'm a character. I keep telling you guys. So every time you come to my page, it's going to be like, what's this woman talking about? Is this woman talking about something? Crocheting and talking. Talking and crocheting. And I could do this all by myself. Normally I'll just have my music playing. So, oh, so speaking of music, like what do you guys like to listen to? Like, Are you guys crocheters? Are you just beginning? I'm gonna lower the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing, and we can talk more. You don't have to look in my face, because all you're doing is looking in my face. You're not seeing what I'm doing, and that's so rude of me. I really apologize. And then I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm looking over like, so here I go. Okay, so is this better? So if you guys can see what I was saying, I decided to change the color from the cherry red to the white. So I'm going to do a striped blanket, red and white. I did a white and red at one time. I'm not sure if I've ever showed you. No, I never showed you. I never showed you. I gave you a tour of pieces of comfort, but I never showed you each individual blanket. Now dig this. My sister, she was like, well, each blanket should have a special name. I don't... You heard what I just named the plants. The fern and the cactus. And I'm not sure. I have to Google what are the other two plants called. But if I name it my plants after sitcom characters, Lordy. That's something me and her are going to have to sit down together and brainstorm and figure out what are we going to name these blankets. These blankets are for sale, you guys, and all that information will be down in the description. Comment below if you're not a crocheter. Comment below if you are a crocheter. And let me know what you guys like to do when you are crocheting. And let me also know, have you guys been crocheting without me? Because we stopped on red. Oops, I'm messing up. You mess up, just keep on going. We stopped on red, right? And I got a little busy with life. But when I got back to it, I decided to go with white. Now remember, this is the rib blanket I was telling you guys about. Remember, can you see? I said to each crochet braid is like a braid, right? Each line is like a braid. Can you guys see? Here I go with my colors. It's like a braid, right? It's 2 loops. You go in, you loop around the hook and you go under. Right, you go in between, but you go in between and you lift up the back yarn, go through that and do your double crochet. Oops, hold on, wait, I'm sorry, that's the bag that the yarn is in. Excuse my pants, I just got finished working out. Maybe you guys didn't know what that was and I just talked too much and told on myself. Sorry, like I told you, I'm a rambler. Like I said, you go in between, you go through the back loop, pull it through, double crochet. That's 1. Do the same, repeat. That's my daughter again, you hear her? And you guys just keep going, and when you get to the end, you build up 3 chains, and you just turn your work around, starting at first hole. Like, so if you're a crocheter, like, what are the patterns you like to do? What is the yarn that you prefer to use? I like red hearts. I really do like red hearts yarn. I've tried different yarns, but for some reason I come back to red hearts. Red hearts is, to me, it feels much sturdier. It's heavier. I think the colors pop just a little better. They have a. I'm not sure. Now she want a vacuum for real. You know what? Let me leave her alone. That's a blessing. My baby is cleaning without me asking. But then again, it's like, wait a minute. What did you do? Maybe I should pause this video and find out what she did. No, let me keep on. You told y'all I'm crazy. Let's keep on, you guys. So for the people who are not crocheters in their beginning, am I going a little too fast for you guys? Do you need me to slow down? Is there a video that you want me to do over, to explain differently? Didn't get it? Like, let me know, because I want to be here for you guys. is it called self-taught? I'm self-taught. You know, I didn't go to school for this. I'm not school, Lord. Classes. Nobody taught me how to do it. In fact, when my sister was trying to teach me, she got me at a good time. Okay? She got me at a real good time. I was sitting there on the floor sipping, okay? And she was like, all right, you ready? Ready for what? Crochet, let me teach you something. I can't even, So you mean to tell me my video cut off and I didn't even know? Okay, you guys, well, I'm going to wrap it up because I think it's telling me to shut up because no one asked. No one cares. And what are you talking about? Okay, I'm going to work it all the way to the end and then I am going to let you guys go. Hopefully, after this, you guys can just keep up the good work. If you need any help, comment below. And you know, I'll be there. That was too far. Sorry. Well, it's me. And so, I just want to show you guys how to just, you know, turn your work one more time if you don't remember. And at the same time, you know, adding a color, you're just making a knot at the end of your work, making a knot, chaining up 3, and this, you know, starting it off as if you know, was still continuing with that same color, you know. It's really not hard, okay? But when I get back to the red, I will definitely show you, so you guys keep working on your red blanket if that's what you guys want to work with. But okay, so let's just say we built a knot, and this will be the knot, and I stuck it, you know, I connected it in. And 1, 2, 3, that will be your knot with your different color. And you just turn your work, loop it, go behind that second loop, 1, 2, 3, and just keep it going. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But you guys, I am going to let you guys go. If you need me, don't forget, comment down below, subscribe, tell your friends, and I will see you back soon. Stay positively busy, my busy bees.